Good morning and welcome to Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama. My name's Joshua and I got this gorgeous 2020 Palisade pulled up here right beside me. We have a gorgeous cascading grille, beautiful Hyundai emblem with our wraparound headlights and our daytime running lights here. We got our gorgeous premium alloy wheels, and let's take a look at this beautiful interior. We have our gorgeous gray on black cloth interior. We have our touchscreen here with our Android Auto and Apple CarPlay ability. We have our cruise control, we have our radio and our Bluetooth controls here. We have our also our lane keep assist and many of other safety features and features within this Palisade. A great thing here about our cars at Tameron, we have a 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty, and also our powertrain warranty, which is 10-year, 100,000 mile, which we double exclusively here at Tameron to 20-year, 200,000 miles. Again, my name is Joshua. You can reach me at my personal cell at 334-663-1422 if you have any questions. I know you'll be showing up tomorrow, Cara, and we do appreciate that. And remember, you always love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover.